The hidden dangers of using herbs incorrectly. Herbs are celebrated for their natural healing power, but using them incorrectly can be more harmful than you realize. Many people make mistakes without even knowing it, believing that natural automatically means safe. In this video, we uncover the hidden dangers of incorrect herbal use and explain how simple mistakes can create problems. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use herbs responsibly and avoid common pitfalls. 1. The danger of random mixing. One of the most common mistakes is mixing herbs without understanding their interactions. Some combinations may overstimulate your body. Others may neutralize each other, wasting your effort. More herbs do not equal better results. Many people assume that because each herb is safe alone, using them together is safe. This is false. Every combination can change the effects inside your body. Pause and reflect. Your body is complex. Treat herbs as precise tools, not random ingredients. 2. Timing errors. When you take an herb can matter as much as which herb you take. Some herbs energize, while others calm. Using them at the wrong time can interfere with sleep, digestion, or even your daily energy levels. It's not just morning versus night. The body's natural rhythms, meals, and other daily routines affect how herbs work. Mistiming herbal use may seem harmless, but over time, it can create subtle problems. 3. Delayed reactions and warning signs. Not all reactions happen immediately. Some appear after several days of use. This delayed response can mislead you into thinking everything is fine. Nausea, fatigue, mild dizziness, or digestive changes are early warnings. Observing your body carefully is crucial. Keeping a simple herbal diary or notes can help track effects and prevent harm. 4. Common misuses to avoid. Other common errors include 1. Taking too much at once. 2. Ignoring dosage instructions. 3. Copying online advice blindly. 4. Using multiple herbs simultaneously without guidance. Mistakes compound over time. Small errors that seem minor today can affect your health tomorrow. Herbs are allies when respected, not tools for trial and error. Approach herbs with awareness, observation, a proper preparation, a correct timing, a respect for your body's signals. By following these principles, herbal use becomes safe, effective, and supportive of long-term wellness. Subscribe to Rooted Healing TV for more responsible herbal guidance and ensure every herbal decision is made wisely.